Hello, my dear friends. Happy Mahashivratri, one and all. So, look this beautiful view of my balcony. This is my hostel balcony. Uh, so you can see that. So today is Mahashivratri. So I am going to ask one question. Have you ever wondered why we celebrate Mahashivratri? If your answer is yes, we of course know that Mata Sati and Shiv story is also there. One story is there. The father of Sati disrespect Lord Shiva and she sacrificed herself in Havan Kund, like that. But this is not a true story. Yes, if you say, yeah, we know that. No, no, this is not a true story. I am going to tell you a true story behind that. So once I can go in my room because here little bit noise. So yeah, this. So so I'm going to tell you a full story about it. So first of all, this is not a true story. So we have to go to Kailash Parvat first. So you say Kailash Parvat, yes, we have to go to Kailash Parvat. On that, you can say that several time ago, the time I don't remember. In that period, Shiv, that Mahadev, is chanting Lord Rama. Like if he go in the meditation, he chant Ram 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 like that. Then Sati came and say, hey, why you are praying a human being? Because but Shiva told he is not a human, he is a divine nature, he is a Brahm. A Brahm is a supreme power. So Sati say, I don't believe, because on that time Lord Rama, means our Ram, is finding Sita, Mata Sita, and he is very emotional. If you watch ever Ramayan, you can see how Ram is emotional. He asking leaf, trees, animal, hey, do you see my wife? Like we can say that asking, mentally disturbed, emotionally crying like a baby. Then Sati have a doubt, how can he become a god? He is not a god. In that their mind, he is not a god, because he is crying like a human for a single wife. So she thought, I have to test he is a god or not. But Lord Shiva say, no, you can't do that. But Sati she went to Lord Rama and take the Sita Roop. One Ramcharitmanas slok is there. Sati dhar Sita Roop dhari करी परीक्षा रामधारी. Sorry for I forgot that full. Let me see once in my camera. सती किन्हीं सीता कर भेषु चली परीक्षा राम कर देशु. So basically she went for taking the test, is he is a god or not. So he go and Lord Rama see and say, mother, you come alone, where is Lord Shiva? And that time Sati was literally shocked. So she said, okay, she went from there to Kailash Parvat. And Lord Shiva asked, hey, you take the test? But Sati say, I don't take test. So Lord Shiva, Mahadev is Mahadev, he know everything. So he leave her mentally, not physically. So you can say tyag. In Hindi we say tyag. So he tyag the Sati, but not emotionally, not physically. Sati also understands she is not going to ever accept her. So she went. Then the story come about Daksh Prajapati and Agni Kund. So the main puja is going on there, and Sati sacrificed herself in that Agni Kund. And after that, Sati rebirth as a Parvati in the Daksh. The next Himalaya. He is a daughter of Himalaya and Maina. The mother is Maina, and Lord Narad came and say, you have to do meditation to found again Shiva. This is not a story of Shiva leaving her or Lord Shiva is anger and anything else. Is because you have to understand one thing. Shiva pray Lord Rama, Lord Rama pray Shiva. For Shiva, Sati is a mother right now, because Sati take the waist of Sita, because transfer herself in a Sita. So Lord Sita, for understanding, I'm sorry for confusion, very clearly understand. First Sati go to Rama and Ram said mother. Now Sati become a mother of the Shiva himself, because for Shiva Rama is a supreme god and for Rama is a supreme god. So both is interconnected. For understanding, you have to read some Hindu granth. I can't explain everything in this video. So, and then one story is also there. When Lord Shiva going for the marriage, the Ganesha is also prayer. So you wonder why Ganesha is here, because before marriage. So this is a story. You can't say this is wrong, right, whatever is this. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में. थैंक यू.